For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Recently, state governments have significantly ramped up COVID-19 testing. The Union Health Ministry said India has achieved record-breaking testing capacity. With this, the centre said it would review the guidelines for testing to see if it can be made available on an on-demand basis. The Health Ministry and the Niti Aayog observed that testing capacity has significantly ramped up. Niti Aayog member Dr. V.K. Paul said the government will review guidelines for COVID-19 testing.
Practically, it is already on demand in many ways. We will review this looking at the capacity and access to people. We are almost there. We have to make sure that the resources are used for the very best purpose. Frivolous use of these technologies and resources is not desirable.
Currently, a COVID-19 test is conducted based on a prescription by a medical practitioner. Niti Aayog has said they will explore possibilities of allowing individuals to opt for testing without a doctor's prescription. On Monday, the Health Ministry said nearly 9 lakh tests were conducted in a single day. A record 8.99 lakh tests were conducted. The government aims to ramp up its testing capacity to 1 million a day by the end of August. With these goals set by the government, on-demand testing can significantly contribute to increased testing. Moreover, India is also locally manufacturing testing kits. Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan said the cost of testing kits have drastically reduced.
Now, most of these testing kits are available on government e-marketplace and also the prices are in public domain. So, now the state governments have become empowered to negotiate and procure better test kits at a reasonable rate.
Aggressive testing has led to early identification and isolation of COVID-19 positive patients. This in turn has resulted in early identification and reduced deaths due to COVID-19. The case fatality rate is brought down through aggressive testing and efficient clinical treatment. The Health Ministry data suggests that the current CFR is less than 2%. The Ministry of Health took to Twitter saying that India's test, track and treat policy has shown effective results. Less than 25% of the COVID-19 cases in India are active. An efficiently implemented policy of test, track, treat has ensured that the active cases are less than 1/4 of the total COVID-19 cases. Higher number of recoveries and declining fatality has shown that India's graded strategy has worked. Currently, 24.91% of the COVID-19 cases in the country are active. India's recovery rate has touched 73.18% for the first time. In July, the ICMR recommended that states should allow COVID-19 testing for individuals without a doctor's prescription. In a bid to scale up testing, ICMR recommended government to allow on-demand testing. This move will allow early detection of symptomatic and asymptomatic COVID-19 cases.